Hey Digicians, in this video we are going to explore a complete help desk solution for businesses. Yes, this solution is required to every business, and on this channel we are exploring ideas and solutions through which you can set up your own digital business, or even you can automate your existing business. We have BeDesk in this video, and this is a self-hosted help desk, live chat and knowledge based software. It of course runs on browser, and it is going to be hosted on your own hosting and your domain, so it is totally yours. This is a white label solution. Of course, you can explore the details on the official website of BeDesk, but what is required, you need to watch this video completely so that we may understand the data flow, the features available with this platform. So this is one platform for modern support which can automate support with advanced AI agents as well. It can provide instant answers, build automated conservation conversation, and connect to external services as well. This is a powerful and unified agent inbox solution, so you can reply the questions, reply the queries, and you can handle all the customer requests through one dashboard. Yes, it can provide the knowledge based solution as well, and we are going to start from here. And this is the instance setting page where you have to start when you are onboarding on the solution. As I said, this is a white label solution, so you can use for this for your own business, or you can provide to your prospective clients. So if you are a software solution provider, so we have discussed multiple solutions on this channel itself, so you can choose any other solution to choose as a digital business, but this one is also very good and high sell solution. So this is a high selling solution. You can provide this solution to any businesses, and it is going to be a perfect match for their customer service requirement. Okay, so we have to start here, and all the documentation can be accessed to understand how you can configure all these things through this learn more option. And overall, we are here to help you in every manner through our DBX program as well. Okay, so all the links have been given in the video description, and to start with, you have to update your actual domain name, I mean the site URL, the site name that you want to keep. You can upload your own logo, the compact logo, and the site maps as well. In the tickets area, you have to convert all the incoming emails to ticket option, so you can enable this. You can enable the ticket replies, and you can turn incoming email to ticket replies, and send agent reply via email options are also here. Conversation history you can check, or you can enable disable auto reply options are here. Ticket assignments and quick tickets, guest tickets options are also here. You can enable the live chat option, so you can keep it on your website home screen. The chat screen can be here. The launcher you can set up, so you can choose the custom icon. You can totally customize the chat icon, so like this is going to work, and this is absolutely perfect. So this icon will be displayed on the customer support area, I mean the URL that you are using to provide the customer support. Of course, you can customize this icon, and it works well for chat and chat related solutions. You can change the style, you can change the dark mode or light mode, you can have the active screens, you can integrate the forms during the chat, and you can have a separate chat page as well. Okay, so the themes are here. When you are customizing your website, how it looks like. Website means the supports area where the all the details are being accessed, I mean all the modules are visible. So AI agents modules are here. You can connect it to the GPT models or the open AI, the default engine. You can use the Anthropic as well. Yes, Anthropic is here. So you can use the Anthropic, Gemini, or the Open Router. So these are the things along with the OpenAI, of course, and the knowledge in guesting options like OpenAI option and all the Gemini options are here, and you can configure with the API with using the provider credentials. Menus, help centers, and the Envato purchase code can be updated here since it is a setting for the super admin. So you have to update the Envato purchase code, like whether purchase code is required for creating a ticket. Okay, so this is like you are integrating Envato. So enable Envato integration to allow customers to log in with their Envato account. Okay, so this is not like for putting the purchase code. You can offer the users to log in with your Envato account, so that just like if you are a theme provider, if you are a code solution provider and your product is listed on the theme forest or code canyon, so it is a good idea to provide a login solution using Envato account. So this is what this screen offers. Localization options, the search modules like search method, you can use the search models like Algolia or the recommended search like Mili search is here. So this works well, I believe. And the authentication options like registration options, social login settings, single device login, the domain blacklist option, the Google login options. So you can even offer the Google login or Facebook login or Twitter login. Uploading options. So this is all about the setup that you have to do at the very beginning and mostly only once. So email configuration, the system configuration, like Envato purchase code. So activate the purchase code if you are using Envato. So activate your license to enable automatic updates. Like this is the purchase code where you can use, the purchase code where you have to keep the place the purchase code that you will get from the Envato, the cache options, the queue, the logging, and webhooks. I must tell you during the video, the solution is well available at the Code Canyon just for $59. So I'll add the details in the video description, and you can follow the link, that is an affiliate link, of course, to buy the solution. It has already got the 1625 sales as on date when I am recording this video, and very good reviews from its existing users. It is being regularly updated, and it has been developed by the Power Elite author at Code Canyon, the called Vebto, and they are very expert, of course. So you can check the profile. I'm not saying this, the profile will tell you all the details about the development house. Okay, coming back, so all the setup you can do in the setting area, and you can even use the GDPR, SEO, and the CAPTCHA options for setting up and making your system live. Okay, now the next discussion that we can do, how the system is working, where is the data flow. So we discussed the basic settings. Further, we need to configure all the things in addition to default things like reports. You can check here the triggers, how the triggers are going to be active. You can add a new trigger when and in what conditions the meet or the proforma or actions, like all these things. So definitely you need to configure all these things. You can check the views, the statuses. You can change the status. You can add new status of chat or the ticket status. You can set the attributes like category, phone, email attributes, and the help center like tips and tricks, the getting started guides, the shipping methods, and the troubleshooting. So these are basically the documentation chapters. The campaigns, if you want to run, so welcome to new visitors, and you can add a new campaign when the new visitors are coming on the support screen. Further, you can add new team members, so you can invite new team members to user modules. AI agents configuration can be done here, like the identity and the personality and all. Further, you can set the customers area, like you can add a new user who are the actual customers. In fact, the roles of users, you can decide you can configure the saved replies for prompt resolution or prompt replies. You can use the tags, translations, the files, and the pages on the front end of the website, like privacy policy, terms of use, and about us. And for the logs, you can check. Now we can come to the data flow, which is the day-to-day use of this solution. So this is the screen where the tickets will be visible, the status and assignments of tickets will work. Like when a ticket raised, so this is the ticket status where the assigned executive or the support manager will answer here. So the message, the emojis, attachments, images, all the options are here. And from front end, the visitors are going to raise the ticket, and from the back end, the system admin or the solution provider or the person who is working in the company to answer the question is going to reply here. Okay, so these are the screen, and the details of users can be seen here on the right panel, so that it may be very clear the duration of ticket and the last activity, the channel, and how they reach to the support mechanism, the category, and the billing and all, right? So when we are moving to next module, so this is the screen where the users are going to interact. Like users can find a respective question to get the immediate answer. So if it is there in the knowledge box, knowledge base, the details will be displayed, like ask question, browse articles, find answer. So the basic questions user can ask here. Further, user can log into their account and raise a ticket, like admin area is here. So if the user are here, user will be able to raise ticket, like dashboard of admin I was showing you. So user will have a ticket generation option. So for a non-logged in user can register here. So since I am showing you the admin screen, so my admin area is visible there. So user can register here using the options that you have configured in the admin area. So my main focus is to show you the admin area. So user can simply search the questions and raise a ticket for support, and further user will get notifications as well. Okay. The next thing that we can have in the admin area, I mean the support provider area, the quick inboxes where all the message can be seen and replied, can be replied directly here. The status of messages unassigned, the closed deals or the tickets, the shipping options if it is applicable, the billing options, the installation solutions, and the customization options. So this is just category and the filtration of tickets. Further, we have the team and the customers, the campaigns. So I have shown you all these things. So I believe you understand how the system is going to work. And if you have any further question, you may simply write in the comment section of this video. So as I said, you can simply buy the solution at the Code Canyon through the video description link, and you don't have to worry about the configuration. And the solution comes with complete documentation, and overall you'll get the support from the DBX team to make the system live for you. Just start a chat with the support executive here with the DBX team. So live chat is here, and you can request a quick setup for you, for your company, for your client. You can explore other solutions, like if you are willing to have a complete website or the development for the for your organization or for your business, the SEO activities, or the you want to explore the SaaS setup options. So this is the option that you have to use, or simply start with a form and you have to fill your all the details. The form may take a while in loading the details uh, for your for asking the correct questions, the adequate questions. So what is your objective, you have to mention here. This complete the form and you'll get all the support regarding the configuration. So I'm not talking about the customization, I'm just talking about the making the system live. Since we are all exactly not the developers, the original developers of this solution are Vebto, and you will get this white label solution for ready to use through this setup and as I shown in the demo. So you can explore the demo at your own. It is not restricted, it is available for all. You just need to follow the links in the video description, explore the solution, and there are many on this channel itself, so you can explore others as well. And even you can, if you are planning to start your own digital business, you have multiple options to choose and compare and understand how the system is going to work. Moreover, you can simply start a live chat um, with an expert who can guide you in a better way how you can set up your digital business or how you can automate your existing business. It is all for you, and don't miss to subscribe the channel for next video and next options through which you can really make your system smart, user friendly, and business oriented. Thanks for watching. Keep building.